अस्सलाम गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर न्यू एपिसोड ऑफ स्टूडेंट लाउंज। एक ऐसा शो जहां पे स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं, अपने आइडियाज़ के बारे में बात करते हैं, अपना पर्सपेक्टिव बताते हैं और मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली हमारा जो गोल है कि हम जेनजीज के बारे में ये जान पाएँ कि वो करना क्या चाहते हैं और उनकी लाइफ में चल क्या रहा है बेसिकली। So today with us is Aman Abbas. Aman Abbas is from BBA fourth semester and उन्होंने मेजर अभी तक चूज़ नहीं किया, लेकिन अभी हमारी थोड़ी देर पहले बात हो रही थी तो ही वाज सेइंग कि मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली मार्केटिंग होगी। सो ही इज़ डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स इन हिज लाइफ। तो जितना ये पॉडकास्ट प्रोग्रेस करता जाएगा तो आई एम गोना टॉक अबाउट इट। सो अमान कैसे हैं, ठीक हैं?
मैं ठीक हूँ सर, आप बताएं।
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक। अमान ये बताएं कि व्हाट इज़ अमान, हु इज़ अमान एंड व्हाई इज़ अमान बेसिकली।
That's a very tough question, but Aman, I would categorize as somebody who is very passionate about what he loves to do and is result driven and is very socially selective. He does not participate in very outgoing social gatherings or in groups that he is not comfortable in, but at the same time, he is driven by a certain set of objectives that he wants to complete and fulfill, and that is what he's working towards.
ठीक है, एंड व्हाई इज़ अमान, अमान का पर्पस क्या है इस दुनिया में आने
पर्पस,
का?
अच्छा ये पर्पस तो अभी तक खुद भी अमान ढूंढ रहा है, बट
ठीक है।
आई थिंक इट्स टू anything that would क्या कहते हैं complement Aman in a way where his self discovery and self development play an important part, where his business and everything, we'll talk about that, but all of that is something that is inclusive in his journey towards the end of his degree.
ठीक है, अमान ये बताओ कि हाउ वाज अमान एज अ किड?
Aman as a kid was very energetic,
ठीक है,
very rampagey,
ठीक है।
and
ओके।
climbing on walls and stuff. But I'm glad that Aman is at bay now.
नहीं, बट व्हाट इज एज अ किड, हाउ वाज अमान एज अ किड? कोई इंसिडेंट ऐसा
As a
जो याद
kid,
हो?
I am really close to my cousins, but as a child, I was, like I said, I was very rampagey and very hyper. So I would get into fights a lot
Okay.
with my cousins, and I'm really, really close to them now. But back then, I bet they hated me. So anytime I'd come to a dawat or anything, I'd steal their toys. I'd be like, ये क्यों, इसके पास क्यों है, मुझे चाहिए, and everything.
सही
So
है।
all of that really showed me कि कहाँ तक उसकी एक्सटेंट लाई करती थी.
ठीक है।
यस, एंड एक बार हाथ तोड़ा था बचपन में, वो गिर गया था मैं. आई डोंट रिमेंबर एग्जैक्टली वेयर, बट ऐसे इंसिडेंट्स होते
होते रहते हैं,
रहते हैं.
ओके। तो अमान, व्हाई आईओबीएम?
IOBM, because I'll be honest, I applied to IBA first, but uska entry test was really hard, and I see students appearing for the IBA test 3 or 4 times. I appeared for it once, and I was really good at the English section, but math is something I've hated. So yeah, I still hate it, and I will continue to hate it. But that was one lacking in the IBA test, which made me feel a little demotivated. But a lot of my friends were coming to CBM, and I felt like this is a good second option,
ठीक है।
and I opted for it.
तो इजीली यू गॉट इन
Yes, alhamdulillah, कोई
ठीक
मसला
है।
नहीं हुआ था.
तो व्हाई बीबीए?
BBA इसलिए क्योंकि it is a bit oriented towards what I do personally. I am a brand ambassador for Samsung, as you already know, and I also have a startup, a hair care startup. So I feel like my degree, BBA, it offers a wide range of expertise when it comes to running a business, when it comes to marketing a product, a service, anything. And because I have, like, this is my first year working, and since I have started applying all of those concepts in my daily life, that is when I started feeling like BBA is actually something that
ठीक
might
है।
be beneficial for me.
तो थोड़ा सा पीछे जाते हैं, व्हेन यू वर इन कॉलेज या स्कूल में, तो डिड यू डिसाइडेड एट दैट टाइम कि मुझे भी यही करना है, बीबीए ही करना है, या देयर वाज समथिंग एल्स, या यू चेंज समथिंग, फिर उसके बाद कुछ इस तरह की चीज़?
Sir, I have always been very confused about where my life is heading, what I'm supposed to do. My dad also runs a business, but मुझे हमेशा पूरी ज़िंदगी ताने पड़े हैं कि तुम कुछ काम नहीं करते, क्यों नहीं करते, पार्टिसिपेट करो. But it was like internally there's that drive was missing. So back in school, I was in the city school PF chapter, and ऑब्वियसली वो बड़ी इमेच्योरिटी की एज होती है, एंड उस वक्त कोई अगर काम का मेंशन भी करता है तो आई वुड बी लाइक नहीं नहीं करना, नहीं करना
ओके,
बिल्कुल भी.
आई अंडरस्टैंड
Yeah,
दैट।
so, but I think, and then I went to Cedar. I was in Cedar for 1 year, got really distracted, and ये मेरे साथ थोड़ा सा मसला है. I get distracted pretty easily. but I quit Cedar in the first year after my AS and I decided to do my A2 privately
ठीक
ताकि
है
मैं अपनी ग्रेड्स को कंट्रोल कर सकूं. तो उस पॉइंट पर भी आई हैड नो क्लू. यूनी स्टार्ट करके भी आई हैड नो
नो
क्लू
क्लू
कि
ओके
मैं बीबीए कर क्यों
नहीं तो
रहा
कोई
हूँ.
सोच के एडमिशन लिया होगा ना कि मैं चलो मैं बीबी में एडमिशन ले लेता
अच्छा
हूँ
वो इसलिए था, सिर्फ इसलिए था क्योंकि बिजनेस इज समथिंग दैट हैज़ ऑलवेज इंट्रीग्ड मी. द
ठीक है
एक्ट ऑफ परसुएजन, द एक्ट ऑफ गेटिंग somebody to actually be convinced enough to buy something or to try something just because you said it, that has always been something that is क्या कहते हैं, that has been something that is convincing towards BBA as a degree for me. And BBA जब मैंने start किया था, I will be very honest, I was very bored. In
ठीक है
every class I'd just be like कि मतलब किताबी बातें हैं and like
ठीक है
why should I study this and why should I study that. But it wasn't until the start of this year कि I realized कि all of those topics are extremely important when you are setting up a business, when you're setting up a service industry, franchise, anything like that. It is extremely important कि अगर आपके पास concepts नहीं हैं तो you cannot function in the market
ठीक है
properly. So that is when I decided कि yeah, I might have made the
Okay.
right decision unknowingly.
अच्छा तुमने जैसे बताया कि योर फादर इज आल्सो बिजनेसमैन
Yes.
तो वहीं से इंटरेस्ट पैदा हुआ उनको देख के या कुछ और
Sir, acha, so my entire family is a little business oriented. My nana has been towards the pharmaceutical side. My dad and my dada have been towards the garden lighting and stuff. आपने अगर CBM में ही देखे होंगे, in the admin building, the benches and the poles, the bollard lights, those are all provided
Okay.
by my father's company.
ठीक है
And उनको भी देख के थोड़ी सी इंस्पिरेशन ली कि द ड्राइव, द गेटिंग अप एवरी मॉर्निंग टू गो टू ऑफिस एंड टॉक टू क्लाइंट्स ऑल डे ऑल नाइट एंड एवरीथिंग लाइक दैट. तो all of that was very convincing. It was very tiring to think about, but at the same time I think I was only looking for the right opportunity and the right product and service for me to sell to the market.
ठीक है
तो ये चीज़ है.
तो जैसे तुमने मेंशन किया कि योर ब्रांड एम्बेसडर फॉर
Yes.
सैमसंग then you have your own startup in
Yes.
hair gear ka you're also a part-time model
Yes.
influencer
And a real estate consultant.
consultant you do a lot of doing a lot of things I understand that Gen Zs want to try everything and then decide
Yes.
so is it a Gen Zer thing or it is something you are like शौक है हर चीज को experiment करना है
Sir, honestly, I don't think it's a Gen Z thing. It's more of a me thing.
okay
Because modeling is something I've been doing for the past 2 years. I have learned a lot. I was very bad at it in the start. I'll be very honest. मुझे camera angles नहीं समझ आते थे. I'd get shy in front of a camera. But I had to work on all of those things. And then the Samsung thingy is something that was completely out of my control.
ठीक है
मैंने अपना एक Instagram profile थोड़ा सा build up किया हुआ. It's not too much, but it's not too less either. And it works as a portfolio.
ठीक है
So I've worked with brands like Zelberry and stuff. So I got a DM one day asking me from this member of ISEC, and she was like, पहले तो मुझे लगा कि fraud text है, because ऐसे आते रहते हैं. I was like, why should I respond? But the text was very intriguing because Samsung से offer है, तो I responded and she's like, this and this is the situation and Samsung is starting a brand ambassadorship program. Do you want to join? And I was like, why not? So since December, I've been a part of the Samsung family, and the role is limited. It's not too much work. It's more fun and games rather than actually brutal work. So it's like individually कुछ products होते हैं जो Samsung wants us to market. For example, S24 Ultra का launch हुआ था.
ठीक है
So I was personally invited to their launch event. I was present with people like Hania Amir as well. And Hania Amir is like समझें the country head of brand ambassadors, and I fall under her. So
ठीक है
there are 3 from campus, and I'm one of them. So the role, I would say it revolves around the fact that you have to market a few products, a service or two, any event that they throw. You have to go and make snaps and stuff and showcase that to your followers and everything.
ठीक है
So that is where the Samsung thing lies. And then in the end of January, towards the end of January, I had this idea that was a very low point in my life. So I wasn't doing very well, studies related, personally, emotionally, spiritually, I was not in a good place. And God kind of blessed me with She. So I like to call She as my baby. It's literally something that I have started from scratch. Uska logo, naam, sab kuch. And so initially, I was the first guinea pig on the product.
Okay.
And my co-founder, I won't mention who he is, but he came to me and I remember he was like, देखो ये चीज़ है and I want you to sell it. And I was like, मैंने ज़िंदगी में कुछ नहीं बेचा है, मैं कैसे एक ब्रांड
Okay,
सेटअप करूँ.
ठीक है.
But there was something in me that got ignited that day. And I was like, okay, all the emotional pain and okay, my life is going to shit. I'll put that to the side for now. But what if I can actually do this? And then I started focusing on designs and graphic designing. And then I created the entire website from scratch as well. I did not employ other services because honestly, as a startup, I could not afford paying somebody 100K for just making my website.
Okay.
I decided to learn that on my own and I created it on my own. And then because of Samsung, मुझे थोड़ी सी leverage ये मिली थी कि I was constantly interacting with other influencers and people that have a good fan base.
Okay.
So it made it easier for me to send out PR packages. I would just hit them up. I still hit them up and I'm like, I own this and this brand and I would like to send you a gift parcel for in return you make a reel or something. So a lot of influencers helped me out. That was very motivating for me because I thought that would not be possible. Everybody wants money, everybody wants to charge you, but some of my friends helped me out and we set up this framework for how we're going to run She Hair
ठीक
Care.
है.
And then I used to get a lot of questions कि आपने ऐसा नाम क्यों रखा है, because if you just attach the letter T, it becomes something else completely.
Yeah.
But I had to, deal with all of that grilling and from people that I know, from people that I don't know, कि क्या मतलब क्या है. And that gave me an idea कि what if I attach an entire personality to the brand. So I specifically defined each letter. Like S stands for silky, H stands for hydration, I stands for infusion, and
Oh,
then
nice. This is
yeah,
good.
and then I further explained how those components in the entire brand's name actually work on your hair. And then my product is something, my USPs are कि it's a sulfate free product and it's for all hair types, कोई मसले नहीं है. तो जैसे मैं कह रहा था कि I was the first guinea pig. When I tried my product, I was like, I'm never going to use another product again. And I'm being very honest with you. Since that day, since I got the product, I have never used another hair
ठीक
care
है.
product on my hair.
घर वाले यूज कर रहे हैं.
घर वाले यूज़ कर रहे हैं, दूसरों के घर वाले यूज़ कर रहे हैं, जिसको जानता हूँ जो मुझसे affiliated है, they like to use the product because it's actually pretty nice. तो ये हुआ, and then when I launched the brand, that was on the 14th of February, and I just heard
Why 14th? What's the reason?
I would say traffic. Traffic बहुत होती है, सही है.
That's good.
Yeah, so that is the only reason. I'm not that emotionally oriented
ठीक
for
है.
me to launch an entire brand on Valentine's Day. But then what happened was कि on the 14th of February I launched my brand finally. And then I had to work on graphic design. I remember how hectic the days and nights would be कि हर चीज़ set up करनी है. I had this really, really dear friend of mine that is still helping me with marketing and everything, because obviously आप सब खुद कुछ नहीं कर सकते. तो he would guide me a little bit as to ad campaigns क्या होती हैं, meta ads कैसे run करने and everything, because I was a rookie. तो उससे मुझे थोड़ी सी अंडरस्टैंडिंग बिल्ड हुई थी. एंड देन आई orchestrated a few shoots for my brand. I modeled myself for it. I had a friend model for it. तो उससे एक क्रेडिबिलिटी बढ़ना शुरू हो गई थी. उसके बाद हुआ ये कि हैबिट सिटी पे एक पॉपअप आ रहा था. आई डोंट रिमेंबर व्हाट फेयर इट वाज, आई डोंट रिमेंबर द नेम, बट
काफी सारे फेयर्स वगैरह
जी
होते
जी जी
रहते हैं.
जी. तो उसके लिए देयर वर अ लॉट ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंसर्स दैट वर ऑलरेडी ऑन बोर्ड. तो मेरा फ़ायदा था. दैट वाज अराउंड 25 इन्फ्लुएंसर्स दैट आई वाज सेंडिंग आउट PRs टू. तो वो फ्री प्रोडक्ट्स थे. तो वो मैंने सेंड किए. उससे इफ़ यू विजिट द पेज लेटर you will find कि उनके सारे testimonials and everything they exist, and they're very big models, like movie producers भी हैं उसमें, movie actors भी हैं उसमें, and people that have created a good outreach. तो that happened, and then वहाँ पर मुझे थोड़ी सी traction नज़र आई थी with the brand कि as soon as I'd start interacting with people, as soon as I'd start convincing them, they would be sold. There was nothing wrong with the product. The first question would be asked, is it lab tested? Why is it 90% natural ingredients? What's this and that? And alhamdulillah, God has helped me through it. All of these questions, I don't give myself much credit, neither would I like to. But then came the Eid fair that happened in CBM last, I think, Ramzan ke baad. So usme I was really surprised because I think my startup, mashallah, se generated the most revenue out of all the other brands that were there. And the response was really nice because I sold around a crate of my bottles, easy peasy, and one goes for 1,000. So that really motivated me because cost plus 10 times कवर हो गया था उससे. तो दैट गिव मी अ सर्टेन सेंस ऑफ ड्राइव एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग मोर ऑन इट. फिर मैंने देयर वर दीज स्टिकर्स दैट आई डिज़ाइन एंड एवरीथिंग. तो आई वुड से कि सैमसंग काइंड ऑफ हेल्प्ड मी
ठीक
in
है.
shaping how the marketing world
ठीक है.
works, and then she kind of helped me with Samsung.
हम्म.
So both of these things are directly proportional to each other.
ओके. कितने कोर्सेज हैं तुम्हारे पास?
मेरे पास 5 courses हैं.
अब ये 5 कोर्सेज के आप 5 बिजनेसेस कैसे मैनेज कर रहे हो भाई?
अच्छा, तो
मुझे ही बताओ, मुझे भी जानना है.
so I think it's something that has to do with compartmentalizing my work and my studies. I'll be honest, it is very distracting कि आप काम करने बैठे हैं and you know कि you have an assignment due tomorrow.
Yeah, that's true.
And it is hectic. So I would commend my friends for helping me in certain situations where I can't physically be involved in the business's workings and everything.
ठीक है.
So they fill in for me. But apart from that, when I have क्या कहते हैं, जैसे assignments होती हैं, presentations होती हैं, तो I focus entirely on those alone. मैं थोड़ी देर के लिए business को completely छोड़ देता हूँ, because एक framework मैं set up कर चुका हूँ. There's a cycle. Somebody places an order, I'll get a notification on my phone, I'll send a delivery out. It's not something that needs my constant attention. And I think as a small business, I think this is the best thing to do, कि you set up a cycle that functions on its own, that you don't have to invest more into, but it's giving you a sense of return on a monthly basis as well. So there's that, plus the real estate thingy that I mentioned, that becomes a little hectic, because उसके अंदर काम थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट होता है. इन द सर्विस इंडस्ट्री यू हैव टू डील विद क्लाइंट्स ऑन अ डेली. उनके ये मसले, अच्छा ये क्यों नहीं है तो वो क्यों नहीं है. इट्स वेरी इंटीग्रेटेड. यस यस यस. तो आपको उनको विजिट्स करवाने पड़ते हैं. विजिट के बाद भी नथिंग, यू हैव टू डू मल्टीपल विजिट्स एंड छोटी छोटी प्रॉब्लम्स निकाल लेते हैं कि मैट्रेस क्यों ख़राब है, तो ये क्यों ख़राब है. दोज आर थिंग्स दैट डोंट कंसर्न अ रियल एस्टेट कंसल्टेंट ओवरऑल. दोज आर थिंग्स दैट are concerned by the team that is handling all of those cleaning services and everything. But still, as a consultant, you have to deal with the problems that they're facing in a way that they feel this sense of belonging. Because if you give them this sense of belonging, I think the customer is yours for eternity.
Okay.
So this is how I've been doing it.
That's good. पहले सेमेस्टर के अमान में और 4th सेमेस्टर के अमान में क्या फ़र्क है?
बहुत फ़र्क है सर. फोकस का बहुत फ़र्क है. डिस्ट्रैक्शंस को मिनिमाइज़ करने का बहुत फ़र्क है. I was always a person that is very emotionally oriented, very emotionally fueled and driven as well. And I don't know if I should talk about this, but
what was it about?
About a certain relationship aspect. And
no, it's up to you, but don't go into much details.
अच्छा, तो I feel like, देखें, आई थिंक ऐसे इंटरेक्शन सबकी ज़िंदगी में आते हैं. ऊपर से what I'll say is कि it was a very huge distraction for me. It was a distraction enough कि I would not go to my classes. I would just be simping around campus. But
I have done, I think, 14 episodes. This is the first time I'm listening this simping word.
But again, that also taught me a lot about where I'm supposed to take my life and where I'm not. And in the first semester, I was very नॉन सीरियस.
ठीक है.
पढ़ाई क्या हो जाएगी, 4 साल हैं,
4 साल
कुछ भी नहीं, लेकिन बहुत बुरी तरह से सीखा हुआ मैंने. बट 4th सेमेस्टर अमान में, विच इज़ अगेन 4th सेमेस्टर ज़्यादा हो गया है, लेकिन आई वुड से कि फंक्शनैलिटी का बहुत फ़र्क है, फोकस का बहुत फ़र्क है, काम के ओरिएंटेड होने का बहुत फ़र्क है, एंड चूजिंग बेटर फॉर हिमसेल्फ का बहुत फ़र्क है. पहले आई वुड काइंड ऑफ care more about what other people that I think about want to do or want done, other than कि क्या चीज़ मुझे benefit करती है. And that has impacted me drastically. So I made myself a promise कि I can't ever do that again. And alhamdulillah, it has been amazing since I decided that.
Okay, that's good. तो अभी तुमने जैसे बात की कि मेजर, और तुमने कहा कि मार्केटिंग करना चाहता हूँ, मार्केट क्योंकि बिकॉज आई अंडरस्टैंड नाउ कि बिजनेस की वजह से समथिंग, तो अगर मैं तुम्हारी ज़िंदगी से IOBM निकाल दूँ, ठीक है, जस्ट थिंक वो ना हो कि कोई यूनिवर्सिटी नहीं, कुछ नहीं है, तो अमान क्या कर रहा होता उस वक्त?
मैं प्रोबेबली कहीं मीडिया पढ़ रहा होता.
ठीक है.
आई वुड बी परसुइंग समथिंग रिलेटेड टू फिल्म प्रोडक्शन. एंड जैसे कराची फिल्म स्कूल है, all of the courses that they offer, I've read up on them a little bit. I am extremely intrigued. I know there's a side of me that I have not unlocked yet, and I can't because I'm doing a degree. But honestly, I think the other field for me would be media.
ठीक है.
Yes.
तो क्या फिल्म्स वगैरह देखते हो, सीरीज
फिल्म्स देखता भी हूँ सर, शूट भी किए हैं.
ओके.
शॉर्ट फिल्म्स भी बनाई हैं फॉर फ्रेंड्स प्रोजेक्ट्स फ्रॉम हबीब एज वेल एज प्रोजेक्ट्स जहाँ पर आई वाज जस्ट एक्टिंग. just for the fun of it.
Okay.
तो I've participated in those as well, and इन सारी चीज़ों में this is an experience of around 4 years now, and इन सारी चीज़ों में I've learned a lot कि
ठीक है।
कौन सी चीज़ें in front of a camera, कौन सी चीज़ें कहाँ मैटर करती हैं, lighting कैसी होनी चाहिए, all of these things have played छोटे छोटे roles
सही
in
है।
creating the Aman that you see today.
तो अमान ये बताओ कि अभी इतने सारे यहाँ कोर्सेज ही पढ़ चुके होगे,
जी।
राइट, और बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें होंगी कि किसी ना किसी एक टीचर से कुछ ना कुछ तो सीखा ही होगा, या
बिल्कुल।
होता है कि अब तुम, क्योंकि तुम प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में भी हो और तुम काम भी कर रहे हो, तो तुम्हें
जी।
पता होगा कि यार मैंने ये पढ़ा था और वो दिख रहा है मुझे होता
जी,
हुआ या
जी, जी,
समथिंग।
जी।
तो इफ़ आई आस्क यू कि वन थिंग फ्रॉम योर टीचर यू रियलाइज़ कि जब पढ़ने के वक्त कि ठीक है यार ये तो बस बातें हैं फिलहाल, बट जब प्रैक्टिकली यू आर डूइंग इट और वो सामने दिख रही है, वट एवर ही वाज सेइंग शी वाज सेइंग इट्स हैपनिंग, और उसका तो कुछ ऐसा याद है?
Yes, I can correlate from this semester as well as a past semester. The course organizational behavior teaches you a lot about interpersonal relationships, how you're supposed to deal with your CEO and
सही है।
lower level managers and everything. तो उसमें एक concept होता है vicarious modeling नाम का,
ठीक है।
which means के when you have a higher person higher up in the hierarchy than you present around you, you observe them and you see ke how they're carrying out a certain task and you then
That's
learn.
true,
सही है।
yeah.
तो I was reading about this concept in class and it sounded very boring to me कि यार
Okay.
क्या इसको एक fancy सा नाम दे दिया है, it's just about looking at somebody and learning what they're doing.
सही है।
But the thing is it goes deeper than that. My CEO at IQI, he is a very big mentor for me. I really respect him and he has taught me a lot about interpersonal relationships and everything. So this is where I first saw it. There was a certain client that I was stuck in, a certain dealing that I was stuck in, and I was really confused कि कैसे मैं इस चीज़ को toggle करूँ, how do I battle through it. And I went to him, and when I went to him, he was already busy dealing with a client, similar situation, and I just eavesdropped. I just stood there and I just listened to him speak and how he spoke to the woman and how he was calm about it, how he would listen to everything, even if he would completely flip after the call कि यार ये कैसा इंसान है or something. During the call is all that matters.
Okay.
So that is something that I saw कि vicarious modeling applied directly to my industry.
Okay.
Yes.
And what about, तुमने कहा था कि एक और पास से भी कोई एग्जांपल है?
Marketing के course में I took it from Durre Afsha Ali in my second semester I think, and she taught me a lot about report writing and everything, how you're supposed to go to firms and interview them and कौन सी चीज़ें matter करती हैं, कैसे एक sales funnel create की जाती है, how do you convince a customer and everything. उस point पर sir, I'm very honest about this, I'm being very honest कि it was very boring for me. I was like कि why am I doing this? Why do I need to do this? Somebody else can do this. And that is not a very healthy headspace to be in because you're kind of deteriorating your self abilities. तो ये चीज़ जब मैंने पर्सनली अप्लाई होते हुए देखी, द एक्ट ऑफ परसुएजन अलोन, कि इवन फॉर मी पर्सनली आई एम स्टैंडिंग एट अ पॉपअप ऑफ माई ब्रांड and there are a billion people walking by and they're not stopping. How do I make them stop? That's the first thing, because there are a lot of people that hurt your ego. You try to give them a brochure. आपके साथ भी होता है, मेरे साथ भी होता है. There are so many instances कि somebody has tried to pass me a brochure and I just don't take it. But I felt the other side of it for the first time. कि I was passing somebody a brochure, they didn't take it, and I felt a little offended by it. But I learned in a second or two कि this is how it's gonna go. I have to, I can't just give up on this. So the act of persuasion, as far as that is concerned, I would talk to people. I started realizing कि how certain conversations can help me achieve what is intended to be achieved. तो इस चीज़ से बड़ी प्रैक्टिस हुई थी. फिर मुझे मार्केटिंग के कॉन्सेप्ट्स याद आते थे कि हाँ मिस ने वो भी बताया था, देखो यहाँ पर अप्लाई हो रहा है, फैंसी वर्ड्स में हो रहा है, लेकिन इन रियल लाइफ इट्स मच मोर
सिंपलर. इट्स रेलेवेंट, राइट, व्हाटएवर. ठीक है,
100%.
अच्छा ये बताओ कि इफ आई आस्क योर मदर राइट नाउ कि हाउस अमन या अमान एज अ चाइल्ड, तो वो क्या कहेंगी?
वो एग्जैक्ट सेम चीज़
क्या कहेंगे
कि हाइपर, ट्रबल मेकर,
ठीक है,
एंड डज नॉट सिट एट वन प्लेस, सुकून से तो बैठना ही नहीं है,
सही है,
एंड हेट स्कूल, ठीक है, क्लास सुबह अगर पता चल जाए 8 बजे स्कूल जाने, रोना शुरू कर दूँगा,
ठीक है.
तो ये सारी चीज़ें आई एम श्योर कि शी इज़ गोना टेल यू द सेम थिंग.
ठीक है. हाउ मेनी सिबलिंग्स आर यू?
आई हैव वन सिस्टर.
एंड अगर मैं उनसे पूछूं कि क्या कहते हैं आप कैसे हैं, तो क्या
she's a younger sister. I think she would say कि I'm very protective, and I like with my sister, my relationship is not a traditional भाई बहन वाला जो होता है कि एक सर्टेन डिस्टेंस होता है कि नहीं भाई को ये नहीं बता सकती भाई, मैंने ये चीज़ कम्प्लीटली इराडिकेट की हुई है. इफ़ देयर इज़ एनी प्रॉब्लम शी नोज़ कि द फर्स्ट पर्सन शी इज़ कमिंग टू इज़ मी, एंड शी नोज़ कि इवन इफ शी messes up big time, I'm gonna comfort her. डांट पड़ेगी उसको अगर गलती है, लेकिन I'm gonna fix the problem for her. तो ये मैंने इसको एक comfort दी हुई है. तो she knows कि she calls me भैया. तो she knows कि as reckless as I may be, as careless as I might have been, I am extremely overprotective when it comes to my sister.
Okay.
Yes.
तो अमान जब इंशाल्लाह यूनिवर्सिटी ख़त्म हो जाएगी तो आप इतनी सारी चीज़ें कर रहे हो, तो यही करना है या कॉर्पोरेट या जॉब का भी एक वो करना है, मतलब यू वांट टू सी कि वो वर्ल्ड कैसे काम करता है, या जस्ट फोकस ऑन योर ब्रांड?
अच्छा, सो सर मैंने थोड़ा सा कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड एक्सपीरियंस किया है थ्रू एन इंटर्नशिप फॉर अ सॉफ्टवेयर हाउस दैट आई वाज डूइंग फॉर 6 weeks. This was prior to Samsung, prior to IQI. But with IQI even I have experienced this because in the summers uni तो थी नहीं, तो I would be going every single day to MR from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. and every single day it would be a hectic cycle कि क्या कुछ हो, काम हो नहीं हो, बस बैठे, कुछ भी नहीं है करने को तो भी बैठे. तो 6 PM ऑफ होगा, फिर घर जाना है. तो इससे मुझे का कल्चर थोड़ा सा, आई नो कि एमआर का थोड़ा डिफर करता है कल्चर एज एंड बिकॉज इट्स रियल एस्टेट, इट्स नॉट अ ट्रेडिशनल कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड, बट स्टिल 10 to 6 की साइकिल से मेरा एक रूटीन बिल्डअप हो गया था. तो ये चीज़ मैंने एक्सपीरियंस की. बट एज फार एज योर क्वेश्चन इज कंसर्न्ड, आफ्टर ग्रेजुएशन I cannot be completely sure that I'll be doing this. But I know for a fact that I want she to be something huge. I want she to be on every store across Pakistan. Inshallah. And real estate is something that is teaching me the act of persuasion at a degree that I cannot learn through any degree. तो ये चीज़ है.
ओके, व्हाट अबाउट जो पार्ट टाइम मॉडल कर रहे हो, वो भी करना है?
तो सर वो तो शौकिया चीज़ है.
ठीक है.
तो वो बस थोड़े से कैमरा एंगल सीख लिए, थोड़ा देखा कि हाँ यार ये तो क्योंकि पोर्टफोलियो बिल्ड किया है थोड़ा सा. सैमसंग भी अट्रैक्ट इसलिए हुआ था क्योंकि एक पोर्टफोलियो था शूट्स करते हुए एंड एवरीथिंग. तो पहला शूट आई वुड से honestly it's been such a long while but I've worked with Zelberry, I've worked with Happy Donuts, I have worked with Pop Bar, I have worked with numerous clothing brands and stuff. Tala Sakrani naam ka ek brand hai. There's Urban Touch. Recently I did a shoot for this jewelry brand called Leverage, जिसके ads वगैरह बहुत ज़्यादा चलते रहते हैं Instagram पे. तो this is something I do for fun. I do it ऐसे कि I know what I'm doing. I know कि how this functions. I don't get shy that easily in front of a camera anymore. So this is something that as soon as a mutual will hit me up and be like, Aman, I have a shoot for you, I'll probably be down to do it. ये चीज़ है.
नहीं तो आगे करना है या नहीं करना? क्योंकि मैंने नोट किया है कि अक्सर क्या होता है, पहले लोग इन्फ्लुएंसर बनते हैं, इन्फ्लुएंसर बनने के बाद दे स्टार्ट अ ब्रांड. उनको लगता है कि वो उनको उसके थ्रू मार्केट उनके थ्रू मार्केट मिल जाएगी. बट व्हाट यू आर डूइंग इज यू स्टार्टेड अ ब्रांड and then you're doing उसके साथ साथ influencing, and Samsung is helping you and everything. तो do you think कि अगर तुम influencing को छोड़ते हो या उसको नहीं करते हो, तो do you think it's gonna affect your business?
Sir, I think influencing is something I did not choose on my own. It's how I viewed people interacting with me. It's very simple and very बहुत छोटी सी बात है, and I don't mean to boast about myself, but I have seen people taking influence from certain things. Be it piercings, be it jewelry, certain jewelry sets that I wear, I get asked about it, 2 weeks later they're wearing the same thing. तो इससे मुझे थोड़ा सा अंदाज़ा हो गया था कि this might work for my favor. And modeling is something, as I said, I only do it for fun. I know it complements everything else, but in the future I think I would be continuing it because it's fun for me.
Okay.
Yes.
So masters, PhD
मास्टर्स करना है.
कहाँ, यहीं से बाहर से?
बाहर से, ऑस्ट्रेलिया.
So what about business then, अगर चले जाओगे?
सर साइकिल ऐसी सेटअप करनी है कि मेरी प्रेजेंस या एब्सेंस अफेक्ट नहीं करे.
और किस में करना चाहोगे मास्टर्स?
मुझे अभी इट्स गोना टेक अ व्हाइल फॉर मी टू थिंक अबाउट, बट प्रोबेबली बिजनेस.
नहीं तो व्हाई मास्टर्स? क्योंकि देखो मुझे लगता है, दिस इज अगेन इट्स माय ओपिनियन, वो मुझे लगता है मास्टर्स इंसान तब करता है जब उसको कुछ स्पेशलाइजेशन करनी है, कुछ ज़रूरत है किसी चीज़ की. आई डिड माय मास्टर्स बिकॉज आई वांटेड टू टीच.
ठीक है.
अदरवाइज मैंने अगले आई थिंक आई डिड माय मास्टर्स इन 2020 में.
ठीक है.
तो आई ग्रेजुएटेड इन 2015 या 14 में. तो सोचो उसके भी 5 साल बाद या 6 साल बाद आई डिसाइडेड कि चलो लेट्स डू इट. तो मैं तुमसे वही जानना चाह रहा हूँ कि if you want to do the masters, what's the reason behind it? Yeah,
All right. I view a master's or a bachelor's as a safety net.
ठीक है.
I think कि इंसान
That's a
कुछ
good,
भी
yeah,
करे,
okay.
even if they're, you know, making gold bars.
ठीक है.
I think a safety net is very important
Mhm.
because the country that we live in, the
Mhm.
economic standards and conditions that we live in, it is not vital for you to rely on something
That's true.
that is
That is so true.
Pakistani
Yeah, yeah.
originating.
Hmm.
तो इस चीज़ को मिनिमाइज करने के लिए, इस रिस्क फैक्टर को मिनिमाइज करने के लिए, अ डिग्री इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर
ठीक
मी.
है.
प्लस माई डैड हैज़ ऑलवेज बिन पुशी बिकॉज उनको पता है मैं काम कर रहा हूँ एंड
Hmm.
एवरीथिंग ही नोज कि even if I stop studying right now, I'll probably be doing work, but he does not want me to do that.
ठीक है.
He wants me to first complete my studies properly,
Hmm.
ताकि even if खुदा ना खास्ते everything just
ठीक
gets
है.
messed up, I have a safety net कि I have a piece of paper that is proving my integrity
ठीक
and
है.
everything कि मैं कहीं काम कर सकता हूँ.
For example, we started this new thing कि you have to give advice to yourself. So, for example, let's say कि 10 साल गुजर गए हैं and you are in a place to you need some kind of motivation and some advice, you know, and you suddenly realize कि यार 10 साल पहले I did this podcast with the sir and I give an advice to myself
सही है.
कि और अगर इस कैमरे में देख के तुम एडवाइस अगर अपने आप को देते हो तो क्या एडवाइस होगी?
It would be to always remember that you have pulled yourself out of very dark circles and patterns, and it is something that can be done again and again and again. All it requires is a certain drive and to never give up on it.
So that's a wonderful advice, Aman. One last question. ये सब बिजनेस ये सब चीज़ें तुम्हें एक टाइम आता है कि यार it's not fun for you anymore. You want to do something else.
Yes.
So what is going to be?
Sir, I have thought about a perfume brand.
Okay.
ठीक है. I have thought
मास
about a
अफ्तर
clothing-
बनोगे?
I have also
Sorry, Mas.
I have also thought about launching a clothing brand, but a clothing brand, the amount of revenue that it requires, I
Yeah.
need to be a millionaire
ठीक है,
first.
हाँ.
वरना it's something बस एक कुआं है जिसमें पैसे डाले
हाँ,
जाओ,
that's true.
कोई फायदा
ऐसा
नहीं.
ही है.
तो a clothing brand or a perfume brand, but something that gives me the fun, the feeling of fun that shoots give me. There's a
है.
certain drive that I get when I'm at a shoot. I feel a little special. I feel like यार चलो कुछ, you know,
Okay.
it's nice to
ठीक है.
see this. But as a brand, I don't want something that is boring. कि मैं tiles बनाता हूँ.
Okay.
That is fun too. I have
That's a
no
lot of
hate.
money, I'm
I have-
telling you.
Yeah, I know. I have no hate for the tile industry, but anything that isn't fun for me, जिस चीज़ से मुझे पता है कि मेरा attention span lose हो सकता है, तो वो चीज़ मेरे लिए मुश्किल हो सकती है काम
ठीक
करने
है,
में.
ठीक है. Aman, thank you so much for
No
coming
worries,
on the
sir.
show,
Thank you for your
and
time.
I wish you all the best. I
Thank
really
you.
want you जो तुम करना चाहते हो वो तुम करो, achieve
Thank
करो,
you.
बिल्कुल definitely. Before we end this, just tell me one last thing. Are you a Gen Zer or not?
I am a Gen Zer, yes.
तो you are that. ये deadline देख लेंगे, ऐसा
हाँ,
चीज़ें कर
ये
ले
तो- ये तो
और
natural सी
ये
चीज़
क्या है, ये कब और निकलेगा ये अब समझ नहीं आ रहा. ठीक है. Thank you so much. I
No
wish you
worries.
all the
Thank
best,
you.
and I really want you to, you know, whatever you want to do,
Thank you, sir.
just do it and you know experiment करो. हमारे पास ये चांस नहीं था. हमारे पास ये था पहले पढ़ो फिर काम करना है. सीधी सी बात है, क्योंकि फैमिली की तरफ से भी था ऐसा
बिल्कुल.
चीज़. हम खुद नहीं, हमारे यहाँ होता था जो काम करने बेचारा लगता था ना वो छोड़ देता था सारी चीज़ें,
बिल्कुल,
क्योंकि वो
बिल्कुल.
रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बन जाती
जी,
थी.
जी, जी, जी.
तो वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी छोड़ के वापस पढ़ नहीं सकता था. वो ये मसला होता था. बट फॉर यू गाइज अपॉर्चुनिटीज एंड एवरीथिंग बिकम वेरी इजी. सोशल मीडिया की वजह से यू कैन स्टार्ट अ बिजनेस राइट देयर एंड देयर.
That is true.
एंड तो वो एंड यू गाइज आर डूइंग इट. आई एम सो प्राउड ऑफ यू गाइज. यू गाइज आर
Thank you.
डूइंग इट. And I wish you all the best.
Thank
and wish
you,
you all
sir.
the success. So guys, this was अमान अब्बास से हमने बात की. अब्बास ने अपनी स्टोरीज बताई, अपने पर्सपेक्टिव बताया, अपने बिजनेसेस बताए. एंड दिस इज़ शो इसी बारे में है कि हम इनके बारे में जानें, ये क्या सोचते हैं क्या नहीं सोचते. सो अंटिल देन, दिस इज़ योर होस्ट शान हुसैन. यू आर वाचिंग स्टूडेंट लाउंज. अल्लाह हाफिज़.